I've been living simply for 3 years now. It's an intentional pursuit, one where your life is filled with these essential, meaningful things, without the fluff. It'll look different for everyone. I choose to find out what it means to separate my voice from the noise by turning off the news, the feeds, the should-dos. What I do is I look for areas with growing complexity in my life and start there. For me, sometimes it looks like simplifying my morning routine, intaking colorful whole foods, wearing a work uniform, even being intentional with my relationships, taking the time to do it right, one at a time. Initially, I had thought that this kind of life would be non-stimulating, and frankly, leave me bored. But I was wrong. You see, in the grand scheme of things, it's about unsubscribing to mass consumerism, where we buy things to elevate our status with money we have yet to earn, to show off to strangers we just met, or however that saying goes. As I go deeper into this rabbit hole, I've decided to call this chapter the hermit phase. As a built-in extrovert, this way of life is counterintuitive to me, although my identity is shifting. I've built new sustained habits and changed my middle name to Discipline. I may be unrecognizable to some, but this is the most at home I've felt with my own reflection. I must remind myself that this is an ongoing pursuit, to exist minimally, to think essentially, to live intentionally. There is no one moment where I will arrive and say, I'm here and my work is done.
My goal for this channel is to share this process through wellness practice and experiments. Thanks for joining the pursuit.
The pursuit of discovering our greatness.
Oh! Share the process through, I gotta do it all in one. Through the pursuit.